Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase revenue with QuickBooks step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Go to the dashboard to get an overview of your financial health. Click on the Sales tab to review your sales data. Analyze your current revenue streams to identify which are most profitable. Consider creating new income categories that align with your business offerings. Navigate to invoicing and set up recurring invoices for regular customers. Customize your invoices to reflect your brand and make them more appealing. Ensure all services and products have accurate pricing to avoid losses. Utilize the reports feature to generate insights on sales performance. Review the profit and loss report to understand your income versus expenses. Create a budget using the budgeting tool to forecast potential revenue increases. Employ promotional strategies like discounts or loyalty programs. Communicate with clients regularly to enhance relationships and encourage repeat business. Use QuickBooks to monitor unpaid invoices and send reminders to clients. Integrate online payment options for easier transactions and quicker cash flow. Leverage the Estimates feature to provide potential clients with quotes. Stay informed about industry trends that could influence your pricing strategy. Train your team to use QuickBooks effectively to minimize errors and maximize efficiency. Keep track of all expenses to identify areas for potential savings. Review and adjust your strategies periodically based on the data provided by QuickBooks. Celebrate small wins as you see revenue increase, and continue to refine your approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.